Hi, I'm Patty Longwinter with Siemens PLM Software. I'm NX Product Manager for Rendering, and today I'm talking to you about NX11 Iray Plus. I'm going to show you how to use depth of field with Ray Trace Studio. So to start with, I've got a part that I've already applied materials in. I'm going to go to the Part Navigator and open up the Cameras folder. I've already captured a camera. All I've done is do the capture command, but I'm going to show you one that I've already captured. And this is where I'm going to set my depth of field. Now you'll notice my distance between my camera and the target is 90 millimeters. I want my focal plane to be a little bit closer than that, right there. So I'm going to turn on depth of field. I'm going to look at my focal distance as 80 millimeters. It's just where I want it to be. And then I'm going to show you in a minute what aperture, what that does. It follows what a camera's aperture setting would do. But I've got it set at a middle setting. And you can see on the right in Ray Trace Studio, not in Advanced Studio, on the left, which is a preview, but in Ray Trace Studio, you see the physically based rendering, and you see that it's dynamic. You get depth of field in the dynamic view. So I'm going to go edit it again, and I'm going to show you what the aperture setting does. If I set it very low, I'm going to get, what you'll see is I'm going to get a very dramatic, very out of focus image. That's a little bit too much. I'm going to go back and edit my camera again. And now I'm going to set it to something that's just a little bit, I could set it to the middle one, which I had initially, or I could set it very high to have a very subtle depth of field effect. And so here you see again that it's a very subtle effect. It's dynamic, and it happens automatically for you. So there you have it, depth of field, NX11 Iray Plus. Look for more Iray Plus and NX11 quick tips on this channel, and thanks for watching.